Click like if you think that's a good pizza trap for Tommy. I can't wait for him to see it. All I need now is for that douche to fall for it.
Oh, what do we have here? Is this your little hiding spot, Danny? I'll be back for you, little buddy. I'll be back.
Alright, Daddy. One shot to the chest. That's all I need, baby. Ah! Ah!
Did you just shoot me in my butt?
I was aiming at your chest, bro.
Pervert!
No. I was aiming higher, dude, at your chest. It's just that this stupid aim on this stupid Nerf gun sucks.
You tried to shoot me in my sweet butt. You're a dead man. Your aim sucks. No matter what gun you use, Danny. When are you ever gonna learn that?
Well, it's not like I missed you. I still hit you, so that counts for something, doesn't it?
You just got lucky. That's all.
Luck's got nothing to do with it, baby. It's all skill. All of it.
Yeah, skills to be the world's greatest noob. Check it out, man. I'm giving you a chance to get out of here with your life so I can enjoy my pizza in peace. Now, if you want to stick around, I'm gonna go get that modded Nerf gun of yours and kill you with it.
What gun? I don't know what you're talking about.
I know where it is, newbie noob.
No, you don't.
I found your secret hiding place. You just blew your chance, bro.
Shut up!
To the laundry machine!
No, wait! Wait!
Time to shine, little guy. Wait a second. Oh, yes! Double whammy, Danny! Nerf war!
I can't match those guns with this gun. I need a better Nerf gun than this.
Ooh.
Hold on, brother. Hold on. Let's talk. Can I just talk to you for one small second?
Sure. Looks like it's time to reload, Dad! Don't miss me. 'Cause I'll be back! Sooner than you think. Oh yeah. Breakfast of champions, baby. Breakfast of champions! This ain't over, Danny. You don't try to shoot a man in his moneymaker and get away with it. Oh no, sir. There are consequences.
I have 0 guns up here. 0 Nerf guns. I took them all downstairs because Tommy kept finding them all. No, stop. 1 Nerf dart. Only 1. Okay, Daddy. You can do this. Take them out like a pro. You got 1 dart left. Let's make it count, baby.
What did I tell you, Danny? Your aim sucks, buddy.
Stupid Nerf gun, okay? Stupid Nerf gun.
Open up, pervert.
No, I don't want to.
Don't make me blow this door off its hinges.
No!
Yes. Knock, knock.
My door, no! Listen, hold on. Are you seriously gonna shoot an unarmed man?
An unarmed man shot me 2 minutes ago.
An unarmed man is sorry. He apologizes.
Apologize to my butt.
I can't really do that because it'd be really weird.
Oh yeah, guys, click like for my new modded Nerf guns. Which reminds me, I don't have a name for these bad boys. I forgot to ask Danny before I killed him. So in the comments below, tell me what we should name this thing, huh? Oh, and make sure to subscribe. Because when that fat boy respawns, let me tell you something right now. He's gonna be none too happy about me stealing his guns and killing him. Later, I got some pizza to eat.